Breakfast time, don't forget your watermelon. Today we just rocked out more of the same from the last video. Just finishing up all that stuff. Tidying up the different works. We'll get some more of this once it's all cleaned up. Just too nice to worry about videoing. Gotta get some things accomplished for a change. So, just why we haven't videoed this morning. You guys can come along for a paint peel or for a tape peel. Paint peel, I hope no paint peels. Jeez. Oh, which hand are we gonna look better? There we go. Still a couple pieces of tape, but that don't look too bad at all. Let's see what the other part. There we go. Get this door open better, maybe. Alright, yeah, that'll work. Already dirty, that's how it goes. Get a before and after of the running board, but we got a black running board now. Let's go on the other side. I haven't done that side, so that'll be our before. There you go, before, silver running board, after, black running board. Yeah, pretty sharp. And then we did this in texture. It's actually a different type of paint and everything, so that's texturized. There we go. Not too shabby. Definitely gonna make it a lot nicer to get in and out of. Alright, Captain Deuce, are you ready to go to the vets? Check on your broken toes? Alright, cool.
Sick of Deucey.
Almost done. You gotta get your bones ready. Huh? Alright, get you some new cast on. All pretty in pink. Rainy morning. But gotta get work done, so. Let's see if we got any leaks, and let's see if she starts. Let me see. Ah, we're dry here today. That's good. What about the other side? Oh, that one looks wet. Let's see if she starts first, and then we'll investigate our leak. Yay, starts. Leak investigations. Got water down there coming from, looks like the heater box. So, we need to seal up the heater box, take it apart, all that kind of jazz. I think we'll just seal it for now and go from there. Found our leak right there, a little crack. So, we're gonna get it sealed up. Not a big deal. Rust treatment and fixing leaks. Leak checks, leak checks. Let's see what we got. Rain over here. Let's see if we got anything leaking so far. Oh. I hear the water. I don't see the water. It's always a good sign. And we are leak free on this side. Yay. Check the other side. More of the same. Seems good and dry. Ta-da-da! Since I decided to stop recording. And then a fresh replacement. Ready to rock and roll. And the moment of truth, does it work? It does. A little loud, but this thing has character, so that's okay. Up and down. Just crunchy gears. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, this week's been all over the map, but let's finish her up this week. We got our living room dialed in, cabinets painted. Just got to finish up touch-ups. We got a fresh water tank in, all of our pumps in. We got carpet out, we got leaks fixed, we got windows working. All kinds of good stuff going on. Next week's video will be even more good stuff going on. Thanks, guys.